Hello everyone, Sanbonani.
Love is indeed a beautiful thing. Look at Musa Mthombeni and his wife. They are glowing and looking very much in love. But today marks their first anniversary as the married couple. Dr. Musa Mthombeni and his wife took it to their Instagram pages to share such a beautiful story and captioned the video. A year ago today, we said yes I do. Shows Coco Awe, Masekind. Can't believe it's already been a year. Crazy. Happy first marriage anniversary. Happy 2 years together. Musa Kawula, the entertainment blogger, took it to his timeline and posted their video and captioned, Dr. Musa Mthombeni and his wife, Leslie Lorraine Mthombeni, celebrates their first marriage anniversary. Other trips were really happy for the couple that they are still together and flourishing, but Chris Excel thinks it won't end well. He said it's cute, but it will end in tears. And other trips are saying if Musa wasn't a doctor, maybe she wouldn't have married him. One wrote, there are cute shames, siyekeni Satan, kodwa if this boy was not a doctor, would she have married him vele? Well, congratulations to the couple, wishing them many years together. May they grow old together and make beautiful babies. People will always talk. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.